So you were telling me that the link is coming from the sink, is that right?
Yes, leak from here. Yes.
All right, the sink.
Yes,
the sink is on.
Checking your stupid sink. Okay.
The sink is on full blast, both sides. All right. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs. Completely dry. There is no leak when I turn the sink on. So I just recorded it completely dry right now. It's completely dry downstairs with the sink on full blast. So how could it be the sink?
Okay. Leak here. Leak
So
here.
okay, let's. Are we?
One second. Leak here.
I don't know.
This is.
I am saying we just tried this.
1 second. You. This is me. This is illegal. Stop.
So let's no.
This is illegal.
This is my home. I can record what I want.
Bye. Leave. If you stop, leave. I'm out. Bye.
What? Why did you turn on the dishwasher and just left?
Your machine is working correct. Machine not leak.
It's not working. You haven't checked if it's working or not yet. Not even started.
I'll start this.
You need to put things inside for it to wash, right? Oh no.
All right, I'm trying a rinse cycle.
Not working. If it's beef, something's not. It's not being needed.
Let that go for a couple minutes. Okay, I just turned off the dishwasher. The sink is off. The dishwasher is draining. Water is clearly coming from inside the dishwasher. And it is leaking into our basement.